Good morning, dear students, and welcome to St. Xavier School, Botad. Today, we will see our next chapter, part 2, that is components of food. See, in last video, as we know, there are how many? As we know, there are three main components: carbohydrates, proteins and fats, and others are vitamins and minerals. So look at here the carbohydrates, just like a fuel makes a car run. Carbohydrates provide energy to our body, which keep it going throughout the day. There are two major types of carbohydrates in food: sugar and starch. See, carbohydrates are energy giving, so because of it we can do our daily work. Okay. Next is proteins. Protein is an important component of every cell in the body. Hair and nails are mostly made of protein. Your body uses protein to build and repair tissues. You also use protein to make enzymes, hormones and other body chemicals. Protein is an important building block of bones, muscles, cartilage, skin and blood. In the short, we can say protein is a body building nutrients. Okay, because of protein our growth and development occurs. Okay, now third one is fats. Next, fats, stored food. The foods we eat contain nutrients that provide energy and other substances the body needs. Most of the nutrients in food fall into three major groups, that is proteins, fats and carbohydrates. The body uses fat as a fuel source, and fat is major storage form of energy in the body. See, foods high in fat, that is fatty meat and fish, avocado, nuts and seeds, cheese, butter, chocolate. So fat is the big stored food, okay, of our body. Now look at here, nutrients in food, that is carbohydrates, they are needed to give the body energy. And the next is nutrient in food, that is vitamins. They are needed in very small amounts for the growth and health. And the next is minerals. It contains calcium, iron, potassium, sodium, magnesium and zincs. So calcium, it is needed for the growth and healthy teeth and bones. Iron, it is needed for the formation of red blood cell. Okay, these all are minerals which. Now let us see vitamin A. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that is good for health, vision, skin, bones and other tissues in the body. Vitamin A often works as an antioxidant fighting cell damage, but it also has many other uses. Now look at the sources of vitamin A. Eggs and cheese, meat, papaya, carrots, squash, broccoli, fish, mangoes, avocado, melon, peaches, apricot, all that. Vitamin B plays a vital role in maintaining good health and well-being. As the building blocks of a healthy body, B vitamins have a direct impact on your energy level, brain function and cell metabolism. Vitamin B complex has prevent infections and help support or promote cell health. So what is the function of vitamin B? Cell health, okay, and main impact on our body. See, now these are the natural sources of vitamin K. Vitamin K need for the human body to complete synthesis of certain proteins that are prerequisites for blood coagulation and which the body also need for controlling binding of calcium in bones and other tissues. See, vitamin K का क्या काम क्या होता है? Clotting of bloods and also उसके अंदर कुछ जो प्रोटीन है वो soluble होते हैं. So by which we can use. Okay. Vitamin E oil is an ingredient in many skincare products, especially those that claim to have anti-aging benefits. Vitamin E supplements may prevent coronary heart disease, supports immune function, prevent inflammation, promote eye health and lower the risk of cancer. Now look at, these are the sources of vitamin E. Okay, so vitamin E is very essential for our body. Now vitamin C keeps your hair strong and rich in color. These are the sources of vitamin C. Now see, this is the vitamin D. Food sources are cheese, margarine and butter, fortified milk, healthy cereals, fatty fish. Okay, vitamin C is useful for our strong bones. Now see the table. They have given name of the nutrients, sources and functions. Carbohydrates, energy giving food. Fats, energy giving food. Vitamins and minerals, protective food. And protein, bodybuilding food. Now you can see that rice, potato, wheat, sugar are the sources of carbohydrate and it provides energy. Also butter, ghee and milk, cheese are sources of fats and gives more energy compared to carbohydrates. Fruits and vegetables are the sources of vitamins and are required for normal growth and developments. Milk, eggs, meat and fish, soybean are the sources of proteins and it helps in building and repair of our body. Now vitamin A, also known as retinol, sources includes carrots, green leafy vegetable and sweet potatoes, important for healthy vision, and its deficiency causes night blindness, also known as xerophthalmia. Okay, vitamin B, also known as vitamin B complex, sources includes animal and dairy products, important for converting food into fuel, thus providing energy to the body. List of vitamin B includes vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9 and B12. Vitamin E, also known as tocopherol, and vitamin K, phylloquinone. So sources of vitamin E are almonds, peanuts, soybean, and sources of vitamin K are collard greens, kale and spinach. Vitamin E providing immunity and fertility in males, and deficiency causes nerve damage, whereas vitamin K important for blood clotting and hemorrhagic disease become. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, and vitamin D, also known as calciferol. Sources of vitamin C are citrus fruits, berries and tomatoes, important for growth and maintenance of all body tissues and hence for healing wounds, and deficiency causes scurvy. Vitamin D includes fatty fish like salmon, egg, yolk and cheese, important for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Its deficiency causes rickets. Now as we know, food contains this nutritive substance taken by an organism for growth, work, repair and maintaining life processes. Food is a kind of fuel for the living things, just as a petrol fuel for our car. In the same way, food is a fuel for our body. At last, quick revision. What is a nutrient? Nutrients have the essential for the normal functioning of the human body. It includes carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals and water. Now these all are for just your reference. Thank you.